Welcome to the T&M instructional video series. This video will describe how to create a new project in T&M 3.0. First, open T&M 3.0. Click on the File tab and select New Project. Fill in any appropriate information for the organization, contract, and analysis by fields. Choose the projection type that is appropriate for your project. Select Cartesian when input coordinate data are in orthogonal coordinates without any reference to a particular projection. Geographic when data are in spherical coordinates, such as latitude, longitude, and elevation, or projected if data are derived from projections that are designed to minimize map deformations near a particular location. Choose the projection settings as appropriate for the selected projection type and the project. Select a metric appropriate for the type of traffic input data from the Traffic drop-down menu. T&M 3.0 includes options to input data for LAEQ 1 hour as volumes and speeds, or percent volumes and speeds, as well as LDN and LDEN. Select the appropriate report metric. In addition to the LA average metrics, which include LAEQ 1 hour, LDN, and LDEN, T&M 3.0 now includes the statistical metrics L10 and L50. Update the relative humidity and temperature fields if needed. Select the appropriate default ground type for your study. Note that specific areas in the study can be assigned different ground types by using ground zones once the study has been created. Update the line of sight distance limit field if needed. Remember to consult your state highway agency's policy for appropriate settings for regulatory analyses. Once the basic settings have been entered, enter a name and optionally a description. Then, click the Create button to create your project. Note that the project settings, except the projection and units of measure, can be changed at any point during modeling. Objects including receivers, barriers, roadways, terrain lines, building rows, tree zones, ground zones, and contour zones may now be added through the Edit pane with details defined in the Object Details pane. See the T&M instructional videos on inputting objects for more specific information on how to add these objects. To save your progress, click on the File tab and select Save Project. For more information on getting started with T&M, go to the Help tab and click on the Getting Started button to view the Getting Started guide. For more information on T&M 3.0, look for recommended additional videos in the description below and visit the T&M website.